What's good, everybody on YouTube? It's boy Ozzy back again. I'm just gonna get straight into it. Today I'm about to get some exhaust tips put on my car. Let me go get that real quick. Alright, so over here I got some Carven exhaust tips I put on my car. If you didn't know, I got a Dodge Charger. Let me flip it over. That's her over there. It's my little Dodge Charger. And we about to get those tips put on. I just woke up, it's like 8 o'clock. I gotta go to the muffler spot to put them on, and then I'm gonna be back in action. And also I'm gonna debadge the logos off the back. So I'm doing a lot of talking. I'm gonna just show y'all, bro. All right, we in the big body RT. As you can see, the little RT ski. Yeah, man. Like I said, I'm about to go to the muffler shop. Look at this. Check this out. I just went on like a little trip to North Carolina. And look at my gas mileage. That junk went up to like 24, 25. I'm like, bro, what? I'm like, dang, that junk is crazy. But dang, my hair look crazy right now. I had just washed it, and when I put it in a bonnet after I wash it and go to sleep, my hair started looking wild. But anyways, yeah, man, about to head over to the muffler shop, and you can put these little babies on there, and then it's gonna look, you don't have a little BBL. Okay, look, I'm just gonna see y'all when I get there. Okay, right now we in the whip. Right now I'm just driving. I keep telling y'all I'm about to get to the spot, and I'm doing all this other stuff. I'm sorry, but look, check me out. Hit the RT. Boom. I might do like a little whoop. That was kind of ad, but like I said, I'm on the way to the muffler shop. Kind of cold outside. I'm also just yapping right now. Check out this jacket I'm wearing. I got out Depop like a while ago. I be getting slick some compliments on it, but yeah, the light's looking better right now. You're looking handsome. I'm looking at giant Kroger. I don't know if y'all know. I don't know if y'all seen a Kroger this big before. Like, this don't make no sense. This Kroger over here is basically like the size of like a Walmart. Like, we dead. Like, I don't know. Yeah, Kroger Lawrence. Like, look at that. When have you ever seen a Kroger that big? Pause. I was gonna do some pulls, but yeah, there's too many cars in front of me right now, and it's not happening. So I'm about to hang it up, and for real, when I get there, next clip is definitely me at the place. Okay, so back at it. I didn't do no transition for the last clip, but we here at Mighty Muffler. This is a little local spot in Lawrenceville, but yeah, we here at Mighty Muffler. About to get about to get my exhausters put on. I'm gonna show y'all like the little process, I guess, whenever they take my car, and then yeah, man, it's gonna complete the back look, and then after that I'm eventually get some like a new spoiler, because the spoiler I got on right now is kind of, I need something better. But yeah, I'm gonna get a new spoiler eventually, and then yeah, then you'll see more of the progression of my little baby, you feel me? But yeah, I'm about to go inside and check out a price or whatever. Okay, so right now we waiting. So it's gonna be 20-minute wait, but right now they're about to get my car. He just hopped in the V. He's about to take it to the garage over there. Yeah, oh, look at that. Yeah, there go my car. In a second, probably about to go outside and check it out. Yeah, I'm about to go outside. I'm about to go outside and check it out right now. Right now, they put in the junk inside. She gets put up on the belt. And then in a second, they about to put the tips on. As you can see, they're about to put the tip on. Pause. They said they gotta cut the tip of the rear passenger resonator because it's tilted a little too far to the right, and it's kind of hitting against the the diffuser. So I was like, you know what, sure. But the left one was fine. So yeah, this junk gotta be like $100, bro. It's gonna be cooked. Just came out of Best Buy. Went to Best Buy to go pick up some air tags. I need some air tags. Splitting it with my cousin, but look, check this out. I don't know what it is, but it looks good. And we got an RT Scat back there. And we got little baby Hemi right here. But yeah, man. So we got the air tags, got that, and then in a second I'm about to show y'all the completed look for the Carven tips. Bro, you said some fries?
Man, nigga accidentally gave me 2, bro.
2 fries?
Yeah,
for the free?
I asked for one of them to be a meal.
Oh, that's crazy.
We made both of them meals. That's like $17.
Yeah, all right, well, I'll take the fry. But right now, the Dodge logo, Dodge right here, it's finna come off. With that, we gotta have this. Got some fishing line and some glue gun. Glue gun gonna take off the residue fishing line to get the actual letters off. So we're gonna start right here and work our way over. Okay, so far we got one off. We got the letter D off. Now after this, I'm about to scrape this part off with the little glue gun, and then we're just gonna get the rest of the. Oh, hold on. We're gonna get the rest of the letters off, and then we'll have a clean back. Now her whole back is done complete. You see, you got the Carven tips right there. Nice. A little diffuser, like everything looking like beautiful right now. Like, look at this. This is crazy. Next up, about to get her a new spoiler. She really about to be official. Then eventually I'm gonna get a new front and all that, but y'all see if you stay tuned. Simple. So right now we got 2 of the letters off. We got all the letters off, but now we're about to get the little whatever that is. I can't even tell you, to be honest with you. The little residue, that's what it is. We gotta get that off. We already got the D and the O off. Pause. Now we're about to get the D, G, and E off. And then, man, watch out, bro. And then in a second, it'll be complete. It'll be complete for now until I get me a new spoiler, and then the build's gonna be that much closer to being its max potential. Oh yeah, shout out Chick-fil-A. A little overrated, but dang, you bought a lot of stuff, bruh. Fat out boy. All right. Anyways, about to finish this, and I'll show y'all the finished look. Okay, so finally, we done took it off. Everything on the back is gone. Look how clean that look. No Dodge, no Chrome logo back there. Blacked out RT, blacked out Charger right there. Carven tips on both sides. Nice little gloss black diffuser, and soon I'm gonna get a gloss back Hellcat type style spoiler, and maybe, not even maybe, I probably will put a what is it called, a wicker boo, and then boom, baby back finna be. So shout out baby Hemi if y'all want to hear. Here's a little cold start. It's kind of warm though, but yeah, man. Yeah, that's really it for this video. Right now, me and my cousin, we about to run some monkey videos. So you might see a monkey video soon in the next week or so. Or shoot, you might even see some right now. Hey, you got anything to say to Cam? You got anything to say to Cam?
Skibbity wrist toilet.
Okay, yeah, never mind. Anyways, I'm gonna catch you on the next one.